It's been almost 3 years since I started trying to get something on a flash sale, and every time I used to fail utterly except for the mobile flash sale. And for the first time, I have got something. This is Prajwal Mukherjee from Tripitakies, and let's get the video started. So this is the Mi mystery box from Xiaomi, and I was able to grab it for just 99 rupees from mi.com during the fan festival sale. This is the minimalistic box with just MI logo on the top. It has got a magnetic lid, which is a nice inclusion. The box itself feels premium in the hand, and Xiaomi has done a good job here. This is actually a mystery box too, which I had ordered, and let's open the box. Inside the box, to my surprise, I have got a Mi Band 3, a Mi Focus Cube, and Mi 2-in-1 USB cable. It's almost worth around 2500. A nice white engraving has been done of the Mi Fan Festival 2019 on the lid, and it really looks cool. Out of the three, the first thing that grabs my attention is the Mi Band 3. It comes in this packaging and it's really presented well. Opening the box, we get the Mi Band itself. Taking this band out of the plastic cover, it really feels nice in our hands, and this band is really well built. Coming to the next item in the box, we have got the Mi Focus Cube toy, which costs around 300 rupees. Opening the box, we get these small Lego style connectors. Also, an instruction manual is included in this box on how to build this toy and play with it. So the next thing we get in the box is the Mi 2-in-1 USB cable. It's just a normal Type A USB cable with a Type-C converter attached to it, so that whenever you travel you will not carry two cables with you nor the adapter with it. It's really a clever idea from Xiaomi. But I really doubt that this can give speeds of Type-C due to varying pin connectors that are inside it. I will make a video on it, so subscribe and stay tuned. you like this video, hit that like button and share video with your friends. We will be making the more such videos, and also we will be making a video on how to buy these items on flash sale, and also on how to buy Redmi Note 7 Pro on flash sale. So subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Cheers, have a good one.